When I renovated my powder bath with genuine marble, I knew I wanted some smart technology and a super easy upgrade. These LED mirrors from Inyouths, they're low profile and they're fully customizable with over 300 combinations of dimensions. The glass is waterproof, they're backlit, they have Bluetooth, radio, clocks, anti-fog, warm light, cool light. I'm going to link this mirror below as well as a coupon code. Definitely an easy upgrade that's well worth it.